Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from kick mix up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that and you don't know my style already, people. Bag of one, inner one, you see me, But before we get into the new updates, you probably seen some new updates today that we dropped yesterday. Because you don't know the things that Sha'Carri Richardson stayed in the Jamaican and listening to reggae music, dancehall music, and particularly Jada Kingdom, who doesn't like her to begin with. And she's getting bashed for it, you feel what I'm saying? As well as I octane this up God for saying that he is God and he, gave the, fee for help poor people, you see me? I say, yeah, be a bagger, and I go check it out, you see me? But nevertheless, people, it look like Spice, Pum Pum still the pan tour. Yes, we have more updates in this one, but we might as well kick it off because of people business on the day, so we're not hesitate. Yes, with it, you feel me? Now, this lady, Miss Chin, the Shan one, is coming under fire by the besties, yes, because she says Spice Pum Pum look like cow tongue, and it look like it done out and all of these things, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so, I don't know who this lady is, maybe when it come putting out a comment section, cause say a lot of social media detectives over here, so now I wanna know people business more than me. So who is this lady? For some reason, I'm thinking it's allegedly the person that had the threesome at the gas station. But nevertheless, people, this is what she had to say about Spice and her besties. She said, bear people that inbox me about Spice. Another day, come bomber cloud beat me, no? She also said everybody post about it and I'm me wanna have strength for. Spice underneath don't stay good. Wouldn't like that could check under uno mother. No, I unarchive all the post. Do something. And me not afraid the mix up site and the other mix up site or for sure another. Me don't know who she called up for sure, You see me? Another them. I could have the wall of blood clot China. You feel what I'm saying? She also said me yes Spice Pum Pum stay ugly. And me said, it look like cow skin. Glad me not yam them Sunday. Duffy sure. And she said, that's why, look how me left, idiot Spice and gone, sure. So that's why I was saying, I don't know if this are the threesome people RT boss to talk about, allegedly. You know what I mean? But like I said, she's coming under fire from the besties them. So put in the comment section what you think about the situation. You feel me? And like I said, people, Spice don't have nothing to worry about. Because that's the sort of thing said, Heavy famous girl, Punny go viral and all of these things. Just like Cardi B. So let's take a listen.
Fuckers going around showing this fucking picture. Now y'all photoshopping it even more. Like, oh, Cardi pussy. First of all, that ain't my pussy. My pussy right here. This is where I birthed my daughter from. This right here, the part that shows, when I go like this, that's just my ass. When you got a fat ass, that shit gets fat right there. This part right here, this is the part that gives the dick comfort. You know what I'm saying? There's the part that, like, when you go like this in and out, that's what this nigga feel. That's my ass. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to look at my pussy so bad. Y'all should have went see me when I was a motherfucking stripper and I was promoting myself. Like, come see me. Now, too bad.
Yeah, I thought it was the same situation with Cardi B. Putting on the comment section, I hope for Punani to get Photoshop, Cardi B or Spice. You see what I'm saying? But I was just giving that update with Miss Chin. And let us begin with the next update. Oh, before I forget, she also said, anybody see a needle? Cha-cha. Why, Spice? At least you're trending, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah. Now, we have some breaking news on this tragic situation that happened in Florida. The mother and daughter lost their life due to gang violence, stemming from Jamaica, you feel what I'm saying? You don't know what the thing said, you know what I mean? And before we listen to the news update, the mother would like for Honor to, get to know her daughter. So she said, let me reintroduce you to my whole life, my daughter and my granddaughter, Kller and Carly. My main prerogatives, my purpose for living, I tried my best to give you both the finer things in life. I loved you both unconditionally, world without end. Neither in a million years, I thought I'd have to bury my kids. I told Carla, please, don't put me in a nursing home, nor bury me cheap. Split my account for you and Carly when me dead. I loved them, I nurtured them, I support them in every aspect of life. My heart has been destroyed. September 7, 2021 is the worst day I've ever experienced in my entire life. I'll never be the same. How do I say goodbye? How do I bury my children? How can I wake up not receiving a call or video from my fat baby? Oh, I wish I can trade places, Godfather. God, hear my cry. I can't do this. I think I'm going to die.
I saw a van pull in that marked homicide team. My heart sank.
We start tonight with a Fox 35 exclusive. A grieving mother talking only to Fox 35 News after learning her 20-year-old daughter and 1-year-old granddaughter were both found dead in a car in Orange County. Police are now searching for this man who is still on the run tonight.
Fox 35's Danielle Lama joins us live right now with the story you'll see only on Fox 35 News. So Danielle, the mother just heartbroken.
Absolutely, and tonight she is anxiously waiting on news of an arrest. She says her daughter and her daughter's boyfriend were trying to help the man who's now wanted in this case.
We lose a child and a grandchild. Come on, she's a baby. She's a baby.
A young woman and her child found dead inside a
Mommy said also Latoya Reed will not rest until Dwayne Griffiths and his accomplice, who are financing and helping and hiding him, justice will be served. Hashtag justice for Carly and Carla.
Where's that to do?
To vex. To pan. I want to teach one. I want to help out there and need that in their body.
Are we at the point on my face? I point to point on. I'm from my son attack. And you this my son.
Listen, I need to send it to the post. Verbally abuse me and come
there. Where can I send a post?
Come there and
look for your hand when my son tie your hand. My son tie your hand.
I have something with my finance to ship. Somebody you go to the post office.
Who you send to the post office? You can send me a post office?
How you feel like? Move up.
You see me son in them party now, man?
Yeah.
And you not have none? You bet. Look there. Party by my mouth corner. What if I hear mouth corner? White squall. How you do? Try to ramp with me? A ramp with me? Boy, you need to send me to the post office. You can send me to the post office. Look at my mouth corner. And look at my mouth corner. What you do? Ramp with me? See my son party there?
Cocoa bread.
Yeah. See there? Party and cocoa bread. And you not have none. That big box there in here. Wait, are you doing here?
I have 32 bonnets to ship.
I will buy 32 bonnets from you.
You're not really busy, but apart there.
Nobody not. I will buy from her. I will buy. Who will buy things from her? The business mash up.
And I needed to go to things to get some fabric. And let's go.
You must advise me. That every minute you talk about let's go. And my party you talk about. See it ya? My party. See it ya? Beg me peace. Take a look of tea. How you do? What you do? Mind you make me think that way, you know. How you do? Grab me thing. How you do? How you do? Buy my party. How you do? Bring my party for me. Hey! Don't provoke your parents to wrath. You hear me? I want to Jamaica. Don't provoke your parents to wrath. Me don't know who buy them bonnet there. Me don't know who buy them.
Bless up yourself, Richie Feelings. Man, I lie. For the past 4 or 5 years, I always see you with your youth. If you not drop off one to school, pick up one from work, and etc. People, if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the video, don't forget to like the video 1,000 times and share 1,000,001. It shows your appreciation and makes me want to upload more videos for you and, give you my commentary and thing, And it also makes the channel grow and reach a broader audience. You see me, I say, where I get a fight, just And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I run you so you get the latest in advance on news, musical views, and gossip. And if you subscribe already, make sure the notification bell is on, because now I miss out. You see me, I say YouTube I recess things, you see me. Yes.